In this video, I'll show you how to get AAA auto insurance online step by step in just a few minutes. We will include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. Once you click on our link, you will see a page just like this. Scroll down a little, then click on Join Now. Then on this page, fill out all the necessary membership information such as your first and last name, address, email, mobile phone number, and date of birth. If you wish to add a household member in this insurance, click on Add Another Member. Next, on the fields provided, enter the additional member's first and last name, email, mobile phone number, date of birth, and your relation to you. After entering all the necessary information, click on Next. On this page, scroll down a little. In the fields provided, enter all the necessary payment information such as the name of the cardholder, card number, expiration date, zip code, and CVV. After entering all the necessary information, click on the checkbox beside the text that says your AAA membership is automatically renewed each year to the payment card you provided, and I acknowledge the following terms listed below. Then click on Submit Payment. That's how you get AAA auto insurance online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.